Hello everybody and welcome to Sword Wonderland. I am your host Sol, and today we're taking a look inside the Essentials edition of Codebreaker, the complete series on Blu-ray. So here is the cover, the spine, the back, then you open it up and you get disc 1 and disc 2, and then you pull this out and you get that artwork. And you pull this one out, and you get that artwork. And then, for whoever wants a first come, first served digital download code for Funimation. So this has been Codebreaker, the Essentials Edition on Blu-ray. Thank you and have a wonderful day.